I hate Bluebird and YouTube. What? You can't hate me. Yes, I can, and I just did. You are just a big fat bully, and you do not respect any opinions at all. Anyone hating local channels, you do not respect their opinion. Respect their opinion. No, because they deserve to like local channels. You deserve a butt whipping. No, more like you deserve one. Wait, what? You can't give me one. Yes, I can. Ow! 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 That hurts so bad. Now get out of here. Look, he's the one who did it to me. So you are the one who's been hurting my friend Bluebird on YouTube. Who are you to talk? I'm not the only one who has belly fetish people wanting Rosie's belly growling everywhere we go. You are just a fucking freak, and you're a pedophile like Matthew Littlemore. So you can take him. You can take your broke ass. You can take yourself and get the fuck out of my face. Who are you to talk with, you little freak? Get out!